Hey crew, just want to take you through the simplification of the process of creating the fit test template using the mirror process that we practice in the Lego test. So I'm just taking you through me working through getting the first nut bolt template in. Notice I turned off the dimensions and the constraints just because it's very busy when you're making your designs. It does help a little bit with trying to keep track of it, though Fusion does still tend to get in your way a bit. So we go through and we make the body or component, and I've then extruded that as we've been practicing. And what I'm trying to do is then use the rectangular pattern, which went through very quickly there, and then move it along. Okay, so you can see I just mess around a little bit here. Wait till I sort myself out. Right, and then I select that line or that direction to go along, and then put about 40 mil apart, and it is done. A little bit easier to work with.